2017 Forest River Cedar Creek Champagne Edition 38L for sale in Gladwin, Michigan 48624. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2017 Forest River Cedar Creek Champagne Edition 38L. This luxurious fifth wheel is 41.58 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slide-outs and 2 awnings, as well as a 6-point hydraulic auto-leveling system. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal abuse, which has enabled its excellent condition. This 2017 Forest River Cedar Creek Champagne Edition 38L is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you could easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area complete with an induction cooktop stove, stainless steel microwave/convection oven, LG solid surface countertops, solid maple cabinets and trim stainless steel French door full-size refrigerator-frigerated wine cooler and wine rack, kitchen island with double SinkDinette with chair seating, 48 fireplace with regulated heat control and hidden StorageSony large screen television with Jenson home theater, SystemLA-Z-Boy power theater seating, 90 sofa height bed with queen memory foam, mattress bathroom with 60 solid surface countertops and double sinks, 48 shower with triple glass slide, DoorsMaster king-size BedTall boy maple dresser with 9 drawers, dual 15,000 BTUs Air Conditioners40, 000 BTU FurnaceDual rain sensor automatic vents with CoversAutomotive, Frameless Thermopane and Tinted GlassLED lighting, ceiling fan and much more. This 2017 Forest River Cedar Creek Champagne Edition 38L is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This fifth wheel is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2017 Forest River Cedar Creek Champagne Edition 38L can be yours.